Welcome has a car time.
Today we are going to try out Gravity Maze, a marble game.
Wait, gravity? Whoa!
Gravity really does work.
Yeah?
This is cool. We get some cards and then we get to build our tower.
Well, I hope the marble makes it through. Let's open this.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Here's the grid to build it on. So many colors.
And what are these? And
Lots of pieces to build from.
And what is this?
That'll be the cards that show us how to build, and can't forget the marbles. 1, 2, 3 marbles. Ha ha ha.
And that's everything. And it goes on the floor.
Here. There's beginner cards, intermediate cards, advanced cards, and finally, expert. Where should we start?
Beginner.
We need to build this tower, so we need these pieces. Orange, purple, gray, and red.
Orange, purple, gray,
And red.
and a marble, and a base.
Perfect.
So I know how to build this.
Got the orange in, now the purple.
Oh, wait, it goes like this.
The red is always gonna be the finish line. Bingo!
And there's how you build your course. See this target right here? Make sure it's always facing up. And see this where it doesn't have walls like these?
Yep.
Make sure it's always facing the thing that's putting the marble in there.
Let's go ahead and move on to the next card.
This is the done pile right here.
Whoa, we need a lot of colors. We're building what looks like a Z this time.
I have everything that we need for it. Marble goes right here. And then all we need is red.
This is a bigger tower. 3, 2, 1.
Next card. We need the same exact stuff. Look.
It travels from blue all the way to red.
Wait, here. Wait, it goes this. Gray. One more beginner card. Ooh, that one looks kind of hard.
Start on green. Does that mean purple on the bottom or purple on the top? Get in there.
I need this.
That's the most important piece. Let's look at the masterpiece real quick before we go. Wow. There we go. Beautiful. Intermediate level. Let's build.
Start in the orange, come down here, come right here. Then this is gonna go right there, and it goes right there.
Sweet. We need the pieces we already have, plus green and purple.
Oh.
Destruction. Blue, green, back to the blue, purple, orange, gray, red, and go. You want to match up the dots with these dots right here. You know purple's in the right place.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
That was too fast. Let's see it one more time. Ooh.
Rectangle. Rectangle. Rectangle.
Cash is hard at work trying to figure this out. These are getting a little bit tougher. Number 19.
Oh, look at this house.
Whoa! Look at the route it goes down. That looks pretty tough. Cool.
That was my favorite so far.
One more intermediate card, then on to advanced. This one's gonna go straight down, right into red. We're on to the blue advanced cards. Let's see just how advanced you are. We need a green. We need a purple. Orange. Blue. Gray. And red. And the marble. On your mark. Get set. Go. Now we got colors on top of colors.
I know, I'm putting blue and gray together.
I like it.
Complete.
Bullseye. Tear this down. It looks like the green lays down. Perfect.
How's the purple and gray going in?
That's a great question.
Do they go like that? Oh, it goes like this.
Cool, it connects.
It's facing the wrong.
Uh-oh. We gotta flip the green around, which means we gotta tear down pretty much the whole thing. Now let's try again.
I'm a genius.
Oh my gosh. We fill up 2 full rows. We got this one.
Yeah, got this one right in the bag.
If we did this correct, it's gonna go down through here, out through here, and down into the red. Oh no! Now we are on to colors stacked upon colors.
Now let's see. Done.
First try on the expert. Release. Did it make it?
Yeah, on to the next card. How does this even work?
Brain, we need you. That's a nifty building. Go for it. We really are experts. On to the next. Ton of zigzags on this one. Purple, a gray, and then a purple. Look at this tower. Go ahead and drop it. And made it. Timber!
Master Gravity Maze.
We're too good.
I know. Done with Gravity Maze.
Good teamwork.